Hi, sorry to bother. Can I say hello to your dog? What is she?
She's a
Golden Doodle. Hello. How old is she?
16 weeks now.
Yo, that's young, eh? What's her name?
Cannoli, but you just call her Noli.
Okay.
She's named after the pastry. She's got a little cream filling.
Oh. Can I take a few pictures of her, maybe? Where are you from?
Long story. My dad's Australian, mom's American. Lived my whole life in Africa.
Oh, cute. Have a good day.
Thank you.